Okay, so we've got this grid and we have to find the appropriate pattern to allow us to fill in the middle square. So we're going to look for patterns and we're going to look for them. I'm going to start looking horizontally and vertically, mainly because I made the problem, so I know that's what's going to lead to the solution fastest. But if you're doing this from scratch, you would have to just start looking for patterns. So if we add up these three terms in the front row, we get a sum of 8, 4 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, if we add up these bottom ones, we also get 8. If we add up vertically, we get 8 here, and we get 8 here. So we need a number that fills in all of these so that we get 8. So it has to work for any of them, so we're going to solve for this middle one, and that would suggest that this number is 6. Okay, and now we're just going to double check that on the horizontal. 2 plus 6 gives 8, and it gives 8 on the vertical. So that's nice and simple. One of the easiest problems you'll face. If this addition didn't work, maybe you could try something. You could try multiplying all the rows together, because you can make these grids up with all sorts of patterns. I chose a simple one here in addition, but perhaps we'll do a few more of these squares where the pattern's a little bit more interesting. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.